How do you make the very best mechanical locking profile for Mannington Adura luxury plank flooring even better? By offering this field-proven, patented, proprietary mechanical locking system in the award-winning Adura tile format. And that's just what we've done. The LockSolid technology is now available in Adura tile. And since this is a floating installation, the tiles are secured to each other and not to the subfloor. This makes it possible to install over many subfloors that are not suitable for fully adhered systems. These subfloors include wood and wood composite panels, such as OSB and particle board, and over concrete subfloors on all grade levels. Single layer, fully adhered, existing resilient flooring, and even properly prepared ceramic tile flooring can be used under floating LVT product. Of course, the subfloor must be clean, dry, and smooth. Smooth and flat to within 3/16 and 10 feet. If necessary, patch and level the subfloor using a Portland cement patching compound such as Mannington MVP 2023. Adura tiles with LockSolid technology are to be installed in conditioned interior locations only. You never want to install the tile in extreme hot or cold conditions. Job site should be in the range of 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Another important consideration for all floating floors is the fact that they cannot be restricted or pinched, so always provide a 5/16 inch gap at all fixed vertical surfaces and undercut door casings so that the tile can be slid underneath. Plan to use vinyl or rubber transition moldings where the Adura adjoins any other floor covering. Aside from these considerations, Adura tile with LockSolid technology should be installed like all other tile products with regards to estimating and layout. If required, cut the first tile in length and width to accommodate the border width and position the tile in the corner with the groove edges facing out. Tiles may be cut using the score and snap method or using a traditional tile cutter. Use spacers to maintain the 5/16 inch expansion gap at the wall. Now insert the tongue of the second tile in the first row into the groove of the first tile and click to fasten. If required, cut the first tile in the second row and insert the tongue into the groove of the first tile in the first row. Again, the grooves of this tile will be positioned out. Now position a full tile in the second row by inserting the tongue into the grooves of the adjoining tiles. Support the width of the tile with your hands, positioned on the edges, and with a low angle insert the tongue into the groove. The tile will click when fully inserted. Working left to right, position the tiles along the wall and then the tiles in the second row. Stay true and square on the starting line and maintain a 5/16 inch gap at all the walls. Continue the installation by inserting tongues into the grooves and working row by row across the work area. Be certain to work from several cartons at a time to avoid clustering the patterns. Once the installation is completed, remove the spacers and install wall base or quarter round to cover the expansion gap. Use the appropriate rubber or vinyl transition strips where the Adura joins other floor coverings. Be certain to not nail through the finished flooring. While Adura luxury flooring is tough and durable, accidents do happen. If the tile becomes damaged, it must be replaced. and the following procedure may be used. To remove the damaged tile, position a steel framing square inside the edges of the tile and cut out the center of the tile using a utility knife. With the center removed, work the edges out from the surrounding tiles. Prepare the replacement tile by trimming back both the tongue sides of the tile. Trim off the lip from one groove edge and prepare the other groove by trimming back approximately 2 inches from both ends. Now position the grooves of the replacement tile under the tongue edges of the surrounding tiles. Apply a thin bead of MCS 42 Mannington seam sealer to the exposed grooves and position the tongues of the replacement tile into place. Wait the tile for at least 15 minutes. Mannington Adura is now available in both floating or fully adhered planks and tiles. The perfect flooring solution for all your flooring projects. Please note that Stainmaster Luxury Flooring Tile and Plank is also available with LockSolid technology.